Hello, I'm Logan, an account manager here at Borg Overström, and I'm excited to introduce to you today our C2 and C3 taps. Our C-Series range has been designed with endurance front of mind, and it finds its home in hospitality and commercial environments, as well as fitness environments such as gyms. It's perfect for environments needing 24/7 reliability and high capacity. The taps are incredibly intuitive to use, feature a durable chrome finish, and deliver an impressive 80 litres of chilled and sparkling water per hour. You can choose from either chilled, sparkling or ambient water across a 2-way or 3-way dispense tap. The taps also feature a very high 300ml dispense height, which means it's more than high enough for jugs, carafes and bottles used extensively across the hospitality industry. You also have the option to add a robust drip tray that comes in either a large or smaller size to complete a fully robust refill station. The bar style tap is a traditional, reliable method of dispense. However, what's under the counter is truly next generation. Our ProCore system encompasses all aspects of our totality methodology, giving users hygiene assurance in every pour. The dry chill block situated inside the ProCore unit allows hygienic, airless and rapid cooling, catering for 24/7 high performance refrigeration. You also have the option of UVC purification thanks to our Viovant technology, which removes all bacteria from the water supply. Our C-Series ProCore units are different from all others in our range thanks to their use of manual solenoids, which removes potential points of failure, really leaning into the reliable workhorse theme of the taps. It also has the added benefit of giving you sparkling flow control on the tap itself, which is particularly useful when dispensing large volumes of sparkling water, as well as contributing to the traditional aesthetic of the tap. Our C-Series taps are your reliable go-to tap system for any busy commercial or hospitality environment. If you would like to learn more about the C2 or C3 tap system, reach out to one of our sales team and we'll be able to give you a full demonstration. Thanks for watching.